front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. After testing this device, I can assure you that it has a lot of haptic feedback options. If you want to manage all of them, from devices settings, no tricks or special apps, here's how. Firstly, go into settings and scroll to click on sounds and haptics. Now scroll again and click on haptics under ringtone and alerts. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Always play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, you can go back and scroll. Then pick one of those features first. Doesn't matter which one, every one of them has Haptics section available at the top. Let's start by adjusting Haptics for my calendar alerts, for example. So I have to click here, tap on Haptics at the top, and apply the best option for me. One of those patterns, synchronized vibration, none at the bottom, or my personal favorite, create new vibration. After tapping on them here, you can create your own pattern by tapping on it here. Let me explain. Tap on the screen in this area to create your own pattern. To stop, hit stop at the bottom right corner. To listen, hit play at the bottom left one. When you're done, hit stop again. If you want to re-record it, hit record one more time and start over. When you're happy with your new pattern, hit save at the top right corner and name it. Then tap on save and apply it by clicking on it if it's not already on. If you ever want to delete it, you can do that by choosing Edit at the top right corner and tapping on this red icon next to your pattern. Then confirm your choice by hitting Delete on the right. When you finished, go back. And last but not least, manage keyboard feedback by clicking here and deciding if you wish to enable or disable haptics, and operate this switcher next to System Haptics to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!